Hi Aries, this is your channel messages for the 3rd of November. I'm your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Aries. Very, very simple. Very so easy, so attentive, so cooperative. Okay, let's go. What is the current phase you're in, Aries? The devil card. So you want some demon shit, Aries, or I'm getting you overindulging. This could be in sex, alcohol, you're overworking yourself, or a terrible relationship you're in. That's what you're in right now. I'm getting the devil to bind you, or somebody who works for the devil is binding you. What you need to let go of. The 8 is the cup, so the drinking and binding you. I'm getting you not show up for work, or drinking has replaced your social life. It's okay. Cannabis replaced mine. Not good. I went into a store the other day because I have not been out in a very long time and I did not know how to exit the store properly. So I'm getting the drinking. You need to, the devil have you. You need to let go for the drinking. You want to beat the devil, let go for the drinking. What should you focus on? The sun card. Maybe you're pregnant. Maybe you want to have a baby. You want to adopt. You can't adopt, you drink. You have beer liquor bottle in your house. Or me getting you want to have a baby, you cannot drink. You cannot drink throughout the pregnancy either. The baby will get whatever. I remember something syndrome them call it. So if you want a baby, me getting you drinking because you're depressed because you want one baby. Okay, well you need to let go of the drinking. And you might say about the drinking have nothing to do with the baby, it does. You have to let go of the devil. You now get a baby if the devil is around you. So if your man drink and you want one baby, the man is important. And if you want one baby but the man now let go the drinking because you're going to have liquor around the child, when you breastfeed, it's going into the blood, the child going high and drunk, right? Basically, basically, the child are fucking drunk, right? Left the fucking man. You want a baby, left the man. Or me getting the man want a baby and the girl like drink. Every time the fucking bitch pregnant, she drink the blood clot baby away. And me getting, you can't left the girl there with the girl for a very, very long time. I feel like this is a Gemini. You're there with the girl for a long time, and every time the girl pregnant, you well want one son, the girl drink and the baby gone. Left the fucking bitch. Left the fucking girl. She kill the fucking baby. What she gonna do to you? Maybe you and her drink. But me getting when she pregnant, you stop. But she not stop. Do not impregnate her again. I would be repulsed if coming somebody like that. And I don't have a dick. What else? What can you tap into for your higher self? The 6 of Wands, yes. I'm getting your happiness is a baby. You cannot have a baby in one hand. You cannot be having a baby in one hand and you have a fucking liquor bottle in another hand, see so. You drink for the baby, then you breastfeed your baby. What kind of fuckery that, What kind of fuckery that happen? Left the fucking man. The man don't want to give up the fucking drinking. Or the woman, she don't want to give up the fucking drinking. Tell her to fuck off and leave you alone. Because I don't know, you're probably in a little energy where you're like, I'm going to be a great mom. I'm going to be a great dad. But the other parent is intoxicated half of the time. So I'm getting, it's either you're going to choose a toxic relationship or you're going to choose for one to have a baby, maybe adopt. But you have to let go of the liquor. I'm getting a to block you. You know why you don't have a child? It's a liquor. And no man or woman, but mostly on the woman. The man don't want a woman while drink while they're pregnant. How the baby going to come out? Same for the woman. You beat her while she's pregnant because you drink every fucking day and you force her for drink so you can't fuck her. So two can't fuck intoxicated and you beat her. Plus she have a baby inside of her. Left the fucking man, 311 will fucking help you. Spirit attached. The man cocky demonized. The high priestess. You hear me tell you? Left him. You want one baby, celebrity, go on for your baby alone. I see the thing with Sky Jackson. Now Sky, I won't lie, you were a very mean girl. Well, I don't know who they gave the chance, if a Kai gave the chance or whoever, you were very fucking mean to somebody online. I don't remember who. Now you take up a light skin nigga. I tell you, stop take up light skin niggas. Don't take up light skin niggas unless them Caucasian. Taking up a light skin nigga. Why the fuck would you do that? They don't know how to act. They have identity crisis. Taking up a light skin nigga. He has to be white if you're going to take up a light skin nigga. Sky, you ain't supposed to be fucking niggas anyways. The fuck? Speaking of us, Missy Kaya and iCarly meet. That true? So Miranda Cosgrove, yeah. Are you none of you write the book? I only write the book, so I'm glad my mom did. Or the other one. Anyways, Miranda Cosgrove, iCarly, we love iCarly. Missy Kaya and she link up. That's so cool. And Marna Cosgrove is like one of the nicest, sweetest girls. I do cuss a little. Really? What do you like to say? Probably fuck. Right? Woo. I have to take these secrets to the grave and handle her. I'm getting the man keep a want you drink, so you just don't want to have a baby. By the time you must have a baby, I'm getting you can't carry the baby. So him can laugh at you and say, you were a drinker, that is why this happened, that's why that happened. Make him laugh at you, he probably can't come properly either way. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.